how skills will determine your future income in your life. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are talk about how having skills is important. So let's get in nowadays skills are important. You must develop an important skills or an high income skills. If you are born with a skill, you must master it. Be the best at your skill. And if you change your mindset, change your paradigm, you can program it for having money, for be rich. But you can have skills and stay poor. It's important to know. Having knowledge don't make you rich. You must change your mindset, because some people have great skill and don't use it. So it's like be a mechanic, be a mechanical, electrical technician, be good at it, or playing football, playing basketball, tennis, or any other sports. Be good at science, or you have skills of talking to people, to managing, to be a great leader. Yeah, you know, every people must find what he's good at, what is his best skill he have, and you must master it. You must master it. And now, if you don't have inner skill, you must build it. If you grow up with life, you know that everything can be learned. So, and now with internet and your computer or your phone, you can learn everything you want. Search a big skills and high income skill that can make you very rich, or rich if you want, and learn it from your phone or your computer. You can stay and learn it, and learn skills for many months or years to master it. But if you master that, you are rich. You must know how to sell your competence, how to use it to sell your value to people. It's that you must now. Sales is another skills to have to master. Is an important skills. You must know how to sell your product. If you are good on any skills, you must know how to sell your value. And for that, I have read a book of Alex Hormozy $100 leads, and you can read it how to sell. This is the best, I can say, is the best book to help you to make sell for your product. So it's all I think I say for having skills and use it to make money and be rich, be financially rich.